Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So in our previous episode, we talked about the process in accumulating a ICC report. So now we're going to talk about who actually uses those reports. The number one person that uses them is going to be city officials, as well as your engineering team, design team, designing the repairs for your foundation project. So they utilize the ICC to verify and validate the capacities versus what they're coming up with calculated capacities for those piles. So if the pile capacity and their capacity doesn't match, or it's not going to be great enough, they'll go ahead and go to a larger size pile, or maybe add another pile to help absorb the loading of that foundation. So those are the people that use it, and from here on out, we'll go ahead and discuss the importance of the ESR number when it comes to ICCs. So on the next episode, we'll talk about that. Until then, stay tuned and we'll see you soon.